Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Caddy Maxi Life. This vehicle comes into stock with only delivery miles on the vehicle and comes finished in the metallic paint colour Indium Grey. The van itself features a 2.0 TDI diesel engine pushing out 122 PS and comes equipped with a 7-speed DSG Automatic gearbox. Across the front of the vehicle, the Caddy comes with LED headlamps that feature a poor weather light as well as a cornering light. The Caddy also comes with front parking sensors dotted along the front bumper. Down below, the vehicle sits on the 18-inch Monte Rosso alloy wheels, which come in a multi-spoke design. The Caddy Maxi Life comes with roof rails for some versatile additional storage options, and to the rear the vehicle is fitted with a tailgate with a window. The vehicle itself does come with a rear view camera, which is located just above the rear number plate. Beneath this is some lovely Caddy badging, and dotted in the rear bumper is a set of rear parking sensors, helping you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. Behind the tailgate there is a very spacious load area or boot space, complete with a couple of lashing points as well as a parcel shelf. The storage in the boot area can be extended by simply pressing the tab and firmly pushing the seats down. Access for the rear passengers can be found on either side with two sliding doors, behind which is a 3-seater passenger bench in a split 2-to-1 configuration with two foldable tables for the two outermost passengers. In the middle there are two USB-C charging points, and all the seats in the vehicle come finished in the Trialog cloth pattern, finished in a soul black colour. Up front in the driver's cab there is plenty of leg space for the front passenger as well as the driver. Some creature comforts include two drinks holders as well as two front heated seats. The Caddy comes with an 8.25-inch colour composition system including DAB and navigation access. Some other notable features in the Caddy are the keyless go system, which allows for a quick get in and drive, along with the digital cockpit system. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.